Say, look at Cardano. All right, I love Cardano. I've been in it for a long time. I was in it the last bull run. I think I got it for 4 cents. Love ADA. It's a big fan of them. I think they got big things coming, and I love it. Charles Hoskinson, he makes it easy to enjoy Cardano. All right, the last one I did, we were looking for a target for this move up here. We took a Fibonacci right over here, and we put a fib on it, and we were looking for a price target. Oop. For some reason here that didn't pull down. Let's try that again. There we go. There we go. All right, up at 82 cents. It ended up coming up to just about 81. All right, so missed it by 2 cents. All right, this Fibonacci, it's like a cheat code, guys. If you don't know how to use Fibonacci's, draw trend lines, look for price targets, how to trade, all that stuff, I have a level 3 membership. For $14.99, you get 22 videos, 22 of them, 9 hours worth of videos, plus a link to our trading Discord. All right, we have 200 members. Check it out. It'll make you a better trader. I guarantee it. Especially if you're just getting into the market, you have to know when to sell. What are you going to do? You're going to guess. You can't guess. I hate it when people don't know what they're looking for. You're going to get mopped up. It's going to happen. When tops come in, they crash really quick. All right, you need to know when to sell. All right, you need to know price targets, where things are going. All right, just like Cardano here. Wow, this thing has a massive. Look at this. Wow, this thing is just starting. Unbelievable. I haven't looked at ADA for a while. I just, I'm a holder, but I just let it ride. Look at this thing. ADA it has a monster move coming. I'm telling you, it does. If this is a wave 1, 2 right here, all in a bigger wave 1, 2, and you know what I'm talking about if you have the trading memberships or you trade, you know about the Elliott waves. All right, you'd have a 1, 2. This would be a third wave. This third wave could be massive. 4, 5. All right, and this would all end up being just one big wave 1, 2 out of the bigger move, and a push up 3, 4, 5. All right, I'll show you here the projected target for Cardano for this bull run. Roughly, we're looking at. Let's take a look here. Yeah, we don't have it exactly on. Let's try the best we can. Come on, I'm sorry. There we go. Let's go with that. All right. The projected target for Cardano is around $12. Okay, so not too shabby. I will be very happy with that. And this thing works like a charm. I mean, it's unbelievable. This thing's got a massive move to come. And we'll get right back to this chart. I'm going to show you Bitcoin because it looks like Bitcoin's ready to go. Everybody was expecting a pullback to 50,000 or something. Me too. I had targets possibly down here or right up here. It came down to this area right there. It did 5 waves down right here, and I just ended up just missing it here. All right, I'll show you real quick. This Fibonacci, I'm telling you, you need to learn how to use it, guys. You have to. If you're new to trading, this would have gave a target of right around 62. Look at that. It just wicked right below it. Just a wick below it there. So ended up coming down just a hair down to right around 60,780, somewhere right around there. Okay. But that was 5 waves down. Usually 5 waves down indicate a bottom. You can see it better on the 4-hour. 3, 4, and 5. All right, and now Bitcoin is trying to make a move back up. The big area to watch for Bitcoin is right here, the 618 and the 702. All right, let me pull this out so you can see the prices a little bit better. If it has a close above 70,000 bucks on a daily and takes out this green box, then that'll be considered a breakout. This big candle here is unbelievable. The volume down there today is 2.8 thousand Bitcoin on the 12-hour. The daily we have, what do we got on the daily? 4.88 thousand Bitcoin bought today. Volume up there on here. Look at that big candle. That is beautiful. I think Bitcoin's ready to go. You know, the projected target for it, if it breaks out, up around $82,000. All right, what's that going to mean for everything else? ADA. You know, if this thing goes to 12 bucks, let's just get an idea here. All right, just get an idea. What kind of move are we talking about as far as this goes? Let's go from the bottom up to 12 bucks. That is showing up roughly a 17x. All right, from there. All right, 17x. That's not too shabby. That's for sure. All right, and it could do it really pretty fast. I mean, the Cardano is no doubt in my mind. People said it couldn't hit $3 the last bull run. Well, it hit it from 4 cents. 4 cents. Right back in here is where I got ADA in April. Would have been April of 2021 or something. Right before this massive push started. Right up here to, what was it? Right about $3. Just a hair over $3. All right, so let's zoom in on ADA a little bit and look on the daily and see what's going on here. But you can see how small of a move this really is. But when you zoom in like this, you know, it ends up looking bigger. All right, and ADA ended up losing this trend line down here. Looked like it did 5 waves up. You know, we had the target off of wave 3 right here. Let's get it to the bottom of wave 4. That gave that target right up here. You know, it looks like it just missed it. We already talked about that. Just missed it. Now, what would normally come in is an ABC pattern. Okay? Have we done an ABC in here? Let's go into a 4-hour and look. Wow, you clearly have 5 waves down here. Okay? Yeah, this very much could be a bottom. Probably let's try a 1 hour. Just look how beautiful that is. Wow, that is absolutely perfect. 1, 2, 3. Whoop, sorry about that. I lost it. The 1, 2 was probably right through here. Your third wave should be your longest. 4, 5. You can count 5 waves down easily. All right, so this could be a bottom for 88 right here. Let's mark that. And now the prices it will have to take out. Okay, I'm going to show you. If this thing is going to run, which it's gonna, this bull run. Okay, this is just a temporary pullback. I mean, it came up to what, almost 81, right around 81 cents. Pull back to 59. Gave you sale prices. That's what I love about crypto. I love it when Bitcoin has 30% pullbacks. Gives me a chance to get into something if I'm not already in it. You know, you get 20, 30, 40% pullback on a token, and that gives you a chance to jump in. So I don't mind Bitcoin pullbacks at all. This is the area right up here 88 will have to take out. All right, plus this trend line. All right, it's going to have to break back above here. 73. Let's see, let's move it over here so you can see the prices. We'll just pull it the whole way over. That's not how you put a fib on, okay? You start from right here. Go from your high to your low of your move. I'm just pulling it out here so you can see these better. It's going to have a close above, you know, call it 74 cents. All right, 74 cents on a daily, and that would be a verified breakout here. Where could this thing be headed if this bottom is in? Up to 95.6. All right, we got long ways to go, guys. Bitcoin is just getting started. I mean, these people, the FUD out there, you know, oh, is Bitcoin, is this the blow off top or whatever? Look at Bitcoin on the whole thing here. Let's get this off here. All right, this thing is just taking out its previous move back here. All right, the projected target for Bitcoin. Wait till you see this. All right, and this Fibonacci is dead accurate. It's unbelievable. You learn how to use this thing, and it is just masterful. Look, see how I have my box here? Ended up taking that right, right out through there. But this was a possible pullback area too. See how it was a 618, 702 area right through here? Yeah, it took it out. So it could have possibly been a pullback down here too, and that's why people were talking about 50,000. It could have easily pulled back there, but it looks like it could be done. The projected target for this bull run for Bitcoin, $240,000. 208 to 240. It's probably going to come around 230 something. So it's got a long ways to go yet. All right, it just took out the 786 right here. Okay, did it back test it? Normally you will back test that 786. Oh boy, almost there. That's why this price target is in there for me right here. So the big thing is going to be Bitcoin taken out on a daily close, $72,000, and then we can end up having massive move. This could be a very, very good week for everybody. All right, there it is. I have an alarm set there. Let me get it off there for you. And Trading View, I have a video on how to use Trading View also and set it up like mine. All right, gonna have to have a daily close above $70,000. That's gonna verify a breakout. Then we could be heading up to $81,000, $82,000. So yeah, all these RSIs are at the bottom. You got your 12 at the bottom. Your daily, I'm sorry, your 12. Look, just turning up. Your 8-hour, just turning up. Looks like that Bitcoin could take this out above $70,000 a daily close, and we have a verified breakout. All right, so keep your eye on Bitcoin. Obviously, Cardano follows very close with it. Keep your eye on ADA, a daily close above 74 cents. Then we're heading up to these higher targets. So, all right, let's go. And if you put a trend line on here, hold on one second. Got to see if we got the breakout of the trend line. All right, you should always have a trend line on your moves. These things work. Yeah, we got a breakout. There it is. All right, ADA is breaking out of that trend and heading higher. It made a higher high, and it's getting ready to go. As long as Bitcoin goes, you know how that works. If Bitcoin has massive pullback, but it looks like Bitcoin is ready to go. All right, so all right, guys, thank you so very, very much. Please check out a level 3 membership. We would love to have you come over to the Discord and start trading with us. I'll talk to you soon.